Guys, I hope you are fine. Guys, let's do this problem and I read the question and then we do it. Solve the trigonometric equation. We have 5 sine squared theta equals to 3 sine theta plus 2. That is for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So guys, we start off. So for this question, guys, we are going to convert it into quadratic equation. And so this is what we are going to do. We are going to bring these figures this other side. And so we shall have 5 sine squared theta. Now we can bring this side. It will be minus 3 sine theta minus 2. This one, guys, we get as 0. Guys, then we can say let sine theta be equal to y. And so therefore, guys, we are going to have 5 y squared minus 3y minus 2. This one, we get it as 0. Guys, we can look for two numbers which they bring the product as negative 10. When they are added together, they bring negative 3. And that, guys, is negative 5 and positive 2. So, guys, we write that 5y squared minus 5y plus 2y minus 2, this gives us 0. We can now, guys, divide this equation into 2 like that. And then, guys, we come and factor out here. We can factor out 5y. We are left with y minus 1 plus, we factor out 2 there. And we are left with y minus 1. This one is equals now to 0. From there, guys, we can now factor out 5y plus 2 and we are left with y minus 1. So we have 5y plus 2 and then y minus 1. So guys, these are our factors equals to 0. Guys, working out for that, if we work out that, we get y equals to 1. And here, guys, we are going to get y. If we work out that, you get y equals to negative 0.40. Guys, I can leave you work out that and see whether you get that negative 0.40. So from there, guys, we say that we have said that sine theta is equals to y. And so therefore, using this side, we shall have sine theta equals to 1. And therefore, guys, we can say sine inverse 1. Checking from the calculator, guys, this one gives us 90 degrees like that. And so, guys, using the trigonometric unit circle, we find that our 90 is right there. This is going to be our 90 degrees. And remember, guys, here we have C, here we have A, S, T. And therefore, guys, you can check and see that sine is only positive up to there. And so therefore, because this is 1 is positive, we don't have any other angle apart from 90 that gives us 1. That angle will be more than 360. And so therefore, guys, we continue. Guys, on this other side, we are going to have sine theta being equal to negative 0.40. And so therefore, we can say sine inverse 0.40 we can look for that from the calculator. So when we look for that, this is what we're going to get. Sine negative 0.40. Guys, we will get 23.57. This gives us 23.57 degrees. But now, guys, this is going to be negative. Remember, we have a negative here. So this is now going to be negative. So, guys, now we come and we now draw this angle on this. When we draw this angle on this, guys, first we can say that this is what we have. And guys, when we draw this, it will move through this point. Whereby, guys, this is now going to be 23.57. So the angle we are looking for is the angle that comes from this point, that is at 0 point, runs all the way and clockwise up to that point. And so that angle can be found by now subtracting 23.57 from 360. So we say minus 23.57 plus 360. So guys, our angle is going to be 336. So guys, we have 336 as our angle there, 0.42. So guys, this is yet another solution for us. Guys, we are not done, because we are saying this, where we have negative 0.40 for sine, is at this point, this sector, and also at this sector. And so guys, we are going to have another one right there, which is now going to be 180 plus 23.57. So we are going to have another one here, which is now going to be, guys, this is going to be, let me put it there, it's going to be 180. Come here and I say 180 plus, that is plus 23.57. 23.57. This gives us 203.57. So guys, we are still going to have 203.57 yet as also another angle for us. Guys, we can check that by looking in the tables or in the calculator, and we find what is sine 203.57. Sine 203.57 gives us, as you can see, it's negative 0.39, which is approximately negative 0.4. And so guys, we have been able to establish our angles that are between 0 and 360. And one of them, guys, is here, 90 degrees. We have this other 336 degrees here, and also 203.57 degrees. And so guys, thank you even for listening to me. Bye bye.